Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So in order to shut your device down normally, you'll simply have to select the Start menu or just press the Windows button, then select Power Options and select Shutdown option right here. Sometimes it will be update and shutdown if you have some pending updates on your PC, and this will also take quite about like 50 minutes of your time sometimes to shut down your PC this way when it requires an update. But if your PC has freezed, for example, or you simply can't access this menu but you still want to turn it off, you can do it forcefully just by holding down the power key for about 5 to 10 seconds. So it's located right here above your keyboard. So just press and hold it for a while like this. And once your screen goes off, your laptop has successfully been turned off. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.